It all started so fast, just a small spark. Then immediately, the whole house was engulfed in flames. I stood and watched the fire devour everything we owned. The rescue teams arrived very quickly. They rushed inside, despite the raging fire threatening to devour them. They tried to approach from the roof. The fire had spread to our car. There were small explosions. Everything was gone in an instant. After hours of effort, the fire finally began to die down. I knew we had lost too much. The wind howled in gusts, as if it wanted to tear the sky apart. The ancient trees that had stood for decades were now knocked down as easily as matchsticks. The whole town was plunged into desolation. Oh my God, the roofs were blown up by the wind. My whole family, we could only stand still. Just hoping that the storm would pass quickly. I have never seen nature so terrifying. Houses, buildings, everything was severely damaged. The storm passed, leaving behind great losses. The truck is trying to get over this slope. Oh no, he failed. Next to the other truck, he was doing a wheelie to pass. And his ending, ha ha ha. Come on man, I know you can do it. That is not possible. I am sorry, boss. I believe he can do it. Let's wait and see. Why are you down there? Oh, his power is amazing. How can he do it so easily? Look at the power of this tractor. 1, 2, 3. First time is not possible. Second try, my friend. Keep it up. It's great that he did it successfully. I don't know what happened. There was a strong impact from behind. My tanker shook violently. I saw flames bursting from the front of the vehicle. I jumped out of the vehicle and shouted for help. Everything happened so fast. The fierce flames were engulfing my tanker. The sound of the explosion from the cabin terrified me. Black smoke rose. The surrounding area was in hell. Two vehicles, all that was left were black, burning debris. This is a nightmare I will never forget. Two women are standing to pick up goods at a processing plant. Not knowing what happened, the woman collapsed to the ground. People ran back. It seemed the woman had touched the electric wire and was electrocuted. This man is taking the forklift like every day. Suddenly, he made a quick move. Everything came crashing down on his car. Everything came crashing down on his car.